Hello guys, welcome to my Advantech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Wi-Fi and you are seeing the error Wi-Fi connected but no internet access, then I will show you simple method to resolve this issue. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu, then type here View Network Connection. You can see here View Network Connection. Just click on this. You can see here Wi-Fi. Just right click on that and click on Properties. In this, you need to click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP4. Just click on Properties. Here you can see use the following DNS server. Here you need to type 8.8.8.8. In alternate DNS server, you need to type 8.8.4.4. After that, just click on OK and close this. After that, you need to just click on Start menu, then type here CMD. Click on Command Prompt. Here you need to type ipconfig space // DNS and hit enter. After typing ipconfig space // DNS and hit enter. After that, type the second command netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. You can see the request operation requires elevation run as administrator. Means you need to run this command prompt as a run as administrator. While opening this CMD, you just need to right click on that and click on run as administrator. And you need to type this both command one by one and close this window. After trying all these options, hope your issue will be resolved. Still you are facing the issue, then you need to update your network adapter. For that, you just need to click on Start menu, then type here Device Manager. Click on Device Manager. In this, you need to find network adapter. You can see here network adapter. Double click on that. After that, you need to find your wireless adapter. You can see here wireless. Just right click on that, click on Update Driver and click on Search automatically for the drivers. This will update your network adapter drivers. After trying all this, once you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.